unbox it again. I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna unbox it. I should open it right here, and I'm gonna do it where you guys can see it.
Just.
Then let me have it. Okay, can I have it then? Hey, there's that. Okay, and open. And let's see what's inside.
Oh, I like that green.
Okay, so we have the charger here. I want it. Oh, I think that goes through right there. Okay, but
can I take the poppers?
I can't put it in. Nothing to worry about that. And then we have a latch.
Is that heavy?
I wish, but no. Wow.
Try it.
Wow, that looks good. Okay.
More poppers.
Impact wrench.
Okay. Oh, well. Looks like these are tools for it. Let's open it up. Dang, look at all this. What's this? Wow.
So.
Let's put it on.
Wait, no. This, you have to take this off.
Okay, let me do
With
that.
that hole, you need an Allen wrench. Where'd it go? You need to put this. Crap.
Ooh.
Hang on, no. You put this on there. Hang on.
I think it
No, you put this, look. Put that on there, where's that piece at? You get this piece, stick it in there. You gotta make sure it's tight though, but then you just screw this on there.
How do we put it? How do we put it in? So where is it?
You gotta twist it, Jason.
Oh.
Let me see the battery. Hold this. Hold this. Where do you charge it at? Oh, charge it right there. Cool. Not bad for $1. Cool.
There you go. I'm gonna put this in. Okay, so like that. I think. I don't have the hands. Ow. Okay. No. Where's this piece? Okay, I think.
Turn.
Oh shoot, I'm sorry.
No, that should be fine. Just leave it like that.
Okay.
Turn. Opposite way. Other way.
Dang. Oh yeah, it's gonna fall off though.
I didn't tighten it down, did I?
You want to tighten it down?
Go.
Oh shoot. Okay. Now we can put this on it. Okay, now we have this dish.
You finish your mouthpiece in your bag?
Yeah.
Alright. We're done.
Okay, we're done. Bye.